Here we come to the elevator at 5232 Forest Lane. EPCO Flushline call button. But look what's on the inside. I see it in the mirror. Armor. Nice. This 3 armor elevators in a row. That's right, here we go. Go for one more ride. All right, let's go back down and we'll end there. This is a nice building, I will say. I'm gonna get a detailed view of these fixtures. Hunter Hayes Dover. Actually, I might go for one more ride. Love the classic leveling. I love these fixtures. This thing's a beauty. Look at, oh my gosh, look at the door open button. That door open button is seriously punched in. Three armors in a row. All right, that's it.